Hello, Software Guy here with a new video. This one's super quick, but definitely worth your time. Discord is once again offering a free Nitro trial, and it's honestly one of the easiest giveaways they've done so far. No complicated steps, just simple requirements. A simple login, and you're good to go. They're basically handing out free Nitro at this point. So, what's the deal? You can get 1 week of Discord Nitro completely free, and all you need to do is log into the Discord desktop app or browser client by May 23rd, 2025. That's it. At the time of recording, that's just a few days away, so make sure you hop on this while it's available. There are a few basic requirements, but they're pretty straightforward. Here's what you need to qualify for the free Nitro trial. You haven't redeemed any Discord Nitro trial or discount in the past 3 months. You haven't canceled a Nitro subscription in the last 30 days. Your account must be at least 30 days old. You don't currently have any kind of active Nitro subscription or Nitro credits. You're not currently boosting a server with a Nitro subscription. You don't already have an active trial or discount running on your account. If you meet those conditions, you're eligible. All you have to do now is open up the Discord desktop app or web version before May 23rd, and the free week of Nitro should be automatically granted to your account. No need to enter any payment info, no need to click through pages of offers, just log in, and it's yours. A quick heads up, if you decide to actually subscribe to Discord Nitro while using the trial, the free trial will end immediately and you'll start paying from that day. So just keep that in mind if you're planning to upgrade. To sum it up, if you're eligible and you log into Discord via desktop or browser before May 23rd, you'll get a full week of Nitro completely free. That's it. No catch, no hidden steps. It's honestly a pretty great little bonus from Discord, especially if you haven't tried Nitro before or want a short-term boost for your server or personal perks. I'll drop a link to more info in the description if you want to double-check your eligibility or just read through the offer directly from Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like or check out some of the other videos on the channel. I'm Software Guy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!